You got too big for this small town. People say you don't come around. Guess you got some new friends now, don't ya? You could've called to say goodbye. Could've called me a ride or die. Guess you think you're on cloud nine, don't ya? You only want what you can have, you.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunday Beauty. I'm so excited you guys are here. We are creating another look using the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette, and today I'm dipping into the reds and the pinks. I thought this was really fun, really bold, but at the same time I thought it was like really sexy. I'm using really fun lashes as well. So if you guys want to see how I created, keep on watching. Alright you guys, as you can tell, I have one eye done, so we're going to focus on this eye. I have my brows on. I put a little bit of the P. Louise under my brow, but I'm actually going to go in with the P. Louise, this is called Rude Boy Red, and we're going to apply it all over the lid using a fluffy synthetic brush. I always recommend using a synthetic brush, not a actual like natural hair brush, because it will ruin your brush, so just FYI. Taking another synthetic brush, something clean, something smaller, and just gently going to go around the edges just to blend them out as much as I can. The good thing is this stuff doesn't really dry, so you have plenty of time to work with it. If you get the ones that automatically set, you have to move quickly, but these are very emollient. And the cool thing is, since I put that P. Louise base right underneath the brow bone, it's actually going to blend really nicely to like fade that away. Alright, I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Certified, and it's this white color right here. And I'm just going to take that on the fluffy brush, and I'm going to place that right underneath the brow bone. And be very generous, because this is what's going to help keep the other colors from going way too high. So even on the outside of this little corner right there, you want to be very mindful of that area, so blend that as well as the inner corner. Going in with Down's Party, we're going to go ahead and take a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go right, I'm literally setting it all over the eye. This is going to give pink, but we're going to go in next with a red to kind of deepen it, but right now I'm just setting that first base that we put on there. And this is the reason why I put the base, so I could make sure that it had something sticky to stick onto, and then also just to make the eyeshadows really vibrant. Taking the same brush, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Living My Best Life, or Living My Best. I just add the life at the end. That really pretty red color, and I'm going to go right in the crease, in the outer corner and the inner corner, just to start darkening that up a little bit more. Give more depth, and to get it a little more red, not so pinky. I wanted it to be more like a burgundy, but it's turning out more pinky red, but that's okay. I'm taking this really small brush, a detailed brush, and I'm going in with Tempest, which is a black shade, and we're going to go right in the inner corner, like a very small amount, very small. Like this. Same with the outer corner. Like so. And then we're taking a fluffy brush, and I'm going in with that red, which is Living My Best, tapping off whatever is left over, and I'm just going to blend that inward. Now going with the round flat brush like this, like a concealer brush, I'm going in with that P. Louise base in the shade number 2. I'm not cutting the whole crease. I'm actually just going to add a little bit right in the center, because I'm going to be adding some shimmery colors on top just to give a little bit more dimension. And I'm just going to start using patting motions to kind of get the area that I want and need. Not going too inwards or outwards. And then start patting downwards, just in the center of the eye. Going in with shade Empowered that looks like this. Really beautiful color. I think might be one of my favorites in the palette. And I'm just literally going to start tapping it all over that area that I placed on the lid with the base. And I like using my fingers with these colors because I just feel like I get the best payoff. Once I have majority of it covered, I'm going to go in with a flat brush and just kind of hit those edges like so. Then going to go back in with that brush where we had both the red and the black on it, and I'm just going to start blending it towards the center. Taking I'm In It, which is that really pretty iridescent color, I'm actually going to go right in the center just to give a little bit more dimension. Just to get that like 3D effect that we are looking for. Just in the center, not all over. Like so. Because I want to actually intensify that line right by the eye, I'm not giving myself a cat eye or anything like that. I'm just going to literally take my Anastasia Beverly Hills liner and get really close, which I'm going to have to get close to my mirror. That's too small. And just get really close to the lash line. Alright guys, give me 2 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and put my face on and I will be right back. Alright guys, as you can tell, I finished my face. I went ahead and applied some lashes from Sade Beauty in the style Valentina. They are like cat eye. These are really, really beautiful, especially when you're doing something really nice and dramatic. I already finished this side, so we're going to go ahead and finish the lower lash line, which first things first, we're going to take a detailed brush like this. And we're going to go in with Dance Party, mixed with a little bit of Living My Best. I'm actually going to leave a little gap right in here. And then I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this, and I'm going to blend that out. Like so. Then I'm going to go in with the same brush again and go in with that black, and I'm going to get really, really close to the lash line, just the outer third of the eye. And same thing, we're going to blend it out. Now taking a smaller brush, this is by e.l.f. Oh no, it's by Morphe, JH42. It's super, super small. I'm actually going to get that really pretty iridescent, which is called I'm In It, which I put in the center of the eye. I'm going to get the brush wet with some spray, and I'm going to put that right in the gap. If you need a little more, just take your finger. I like to really pack it on. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this really fun, pretty pink purple lid using the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. I really enjoy this. I've been super into color right now. I don't know why, and like super dramatic. It's probably because I'm stuck in the house and I'm like, can I just have some fun, look like I'm going somewhere but really not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.